Welcome to Yes Quiz. Are you ready to answer all these general knowledge questions? Don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes. Let's go. Round 1. Which country has the longest coastline in the world? Ooh, it's Canada. Did you get it correctly? What is the capital city of Egypt? You got this. It's Cairo. Which U.S. state is known as the Golden State? It's California. Which South American nation is the only one with coasts on both the Pacific and the Caribbean? Ooh, it's Colombia. What is the name of the world's largest inland body of water? That's right, it's Caspian Sea. What is the capital city of Denmark? Yes, it's Copenhagen. Which long, narrow country is located between the Andes Mountains and the Pacific Ocean? It's Chile. Which European country is famous for its Dalmatian coast along the Adriatic Sea? Aha! It's Croatia. What is the name of the purpose-built capital city of Australia? Definitely, it's Canberra. Which major mountain range forms an arc across Central and Eastern Europe? It's Carpathians. That ends our round 1. Let's go to round 2. First question. What is the fundamental structural and functional unit of all living organisms? Cell. Did you get it correctly? Which chemical element has the atomic number 6 and serves as the basis for all known life? It's carbon. What is the name of the green pigment in plants that absorbs light for photosynthesis? Chlorophyll. What is the name of the transparent, dome-shaped layer covering the front of the eye? It's cornea. What are the thread-like structures in the nucleus of a cell that carry genetic information? Chromosome. Are you doing great in our quiz? What is the name of the largest part of the human brain? It's cerebrum. Which semi-aquatic mammal, found in South America, holds the title of the world's largest living rodent? Ah, capybara. What is the general term for a group of stars forming a recognizable pattern in the sky? Constellations. I love them. What are the smallest blood vessels in the body where gas exchange occurs? Are you slaying the quiz? What is the medical or scientific name for the human collarbone? For sure, you'll get this right. Yes, it's clavicle. Let's go to round 3. First question. Which luxury fashion brand is famous for its interlocking C logo? Ooh, it's Chanel. Which Marvel superhero is the alter ego of Steve Rogers? Avengers Assemble, it's Captain America. Which singer-songwriter rose to fame with the global hit song Havana? It's definitely Camila Cabello. In The Hunger Games, what is the name of the wealthy city that rules over the district? It's the capital. What is the name of the fictional coffee shop where the characters and friends hang out? Central Perk. Which massive music festival takes place annually in the California desert? You know this. It's definitely Coachella. Which actor won an Academy Award for his lead role in the 2023 film Oppenheimer? It's Cillian Murphy. Which Disney princess had a carriage that turned back into a pumpkin at midnight? You've got this. Of course, it's Cinderella. Which British band released the hit song Yellow? Aha! It's Coldplay. Do you love their songs? Jacqueline du Pré was a world-famous soloist in which instrument? It's the cello. Are you playing the quiz? Let's get ready for round 4. First question. Which popular fast casual restaurant chain is known for its burritos and guac? Ooh, it's Chipotle. Which spice is harvested from the inner bark of a specific type of tree? Yes, of course, it's cinnamon. In which Winter Olympic sport do players slide stones on ice toward a target? It's It's curling. What unit of energy is commonly used to measure the amount of energy in food? Aha! It's calorie. What type of espresso-based coffee drink is topped with a thick layer of milk foam? Ooh, cappuccino. Do you like cappuccino? What do you call the person who carries a golfer's bat and offers technical advice? It's a caddy. What is the shorthand term for physical exercises that increase your heart rate? You know this. It's definitely cardio. Which type of cheese, originally from an English village, is the most popular in the UK? Yes, it's cheddar. What the dish is made by curing raw fish in fresh citrus juices? Wow, it's ceviche. What is the name of the green skin grape used to make white wine? It's Chardonnay. Ooh, we're down to the last round. Let's go. Round 5. The expert round. Which psychologist is responsible for popularizing the personality terms introvert and extrovert? Ooh, it's Carl Jung. In Greek mythology, who was the daughter of King Priam of Troy, cursed to speak true prophecies that no one would ever believe? Cassandra. In geometry, what is the specific name for a polygon that has 1,000 sides? Aha! It's Heliagon. What is the name of the largest moon of Pluto? You know this. Yes, it's Charon. What was the original name of the company now known as Amazon? Ooh, it's Cadabra. In music class, what is the Italian term for a gradual increase in loudness? It's crescendo. Did you get it right? Which Renaissance astronomer first proposed that the Earth revolves around the Sun? It's Copernicus. Which object-oriented programming language was developed by Microsoft in the early 2000s? Aha! It's C#. Which chemical element takes its name from the German word for a malicious spirit or goblin? It's cobalt. Did you get it correctly? Last question. What is a technical term for the 24-hour internal clock that regulates sleep-wake cycles in living things? It's the circadian rhythm. And that's it for our quiz. What's your score? Share your score in the comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in our next quiz.